Hot. William called the police to arrest Princess Eugenie as spying for Meghan. Birds of the feather. Kate Middleton growing suspicious that there is a Sussex spy in the royal family? One tabloid claims the Duchess of Cambridge is worried that Prince Harry and Meghan Markle have infiltrated her circle of trust. New Idea reports Kate Middleton is worried about her cousin-in-law Princess Eugenie's allegiances. While the rest of the royal family lost contact with Prince Harry and Meghan Markle when they went stateside, Eugenie has made it a point to stay close to the Sussexes. And sources say her recent trip to Los Angeles to attend the Super Bowl with Harry especially shocked Kate Middleton. Kate and Eugenie were never especially close when they were younger, but Kate made a point of checking in on her when baby August was born, an insider dishes. Kate, who lives across the way from Eugenie in Kensington Palace in August's first months, was a great help to her as she adjusted to new motherhood. During those bonding moments, Kate poured her heart out about a lot of personal things, including how she felt about Meghan and Harry ditching then dissing the family. And now, Middleton is feeling incredibly stressed about taking Eugenie into her confidences, given she's made it clear she's on Team Sussex, a tipster reveals. And sources say Eugenie's Californian vacation was especially shocking because Middleton didn't know she was so close to the Sussexes. Kate didn't know there was such a warm friendship between Eugenie and the Sussexes, and she expects everything she's ever said to Eugenie has gotten right back to Harry and Meghan. We aren't buying this story for a couple of reasons. First of all, is this insider actually Princess Eugenie? Otherwise, it's unclear how they'd know about personal conversations between Eugenie and Middleton. And since it's safe to say Eugenie isn't bad-mouthing herself to a random tabloid, we're certain this tipster is full of it. But even more ridiculous is the notion that Kate Middleton somehow didn't know Eugenie was close with the Sussexes. It's no secret that Eugenie has been friends with both Markle and Harry since before they started dating. In fact, Markle was friends with Eugenie before she even met Harry. Eugenie also notably participated in Markle's 40x40 initiative last year, and she's even been living in the Sussexes' Frogmore cottage in London. If Middleton wanted something kept from the Sussexes, we doubt Eugenie would be her first choice of confidant. Duchess of Sussex Meghan Markle has reportedly left Kate Middleton disappointed as she is set to return to UK with Prince Harry next month. The International Business Times, quoting Closer UK, reported that Duchess of Cambridge got upset after learning Lilibet and Archie's parents were not considering paying a visit to Prince William and her. The report further claims Kate Middleton is looking forward to have a face-to-face conversation with Meghan Markle as she is willing to extend an olive branch to the estranged royal couple to help resolve rift between William and Harry. Kate had been tentatively looking forward to meeting up with Meghan when she and Harry came to England. She wanted to be the bigger person and extend that olive branch because she feels all this ugliness of ignoring one another has gone on for long enough, the report claims citing a source. Meghan Markle reportedly wants to take revenge from the royal family through her Spotify podcast Archetypes, as per a royal commentator quoted by Express UK. The criticism came from royal commentator Dr. Todd Grand who, on his YouTube channel, claimed that the theme for Meghan's podcast seemed to be getting revenge from the British royal family amid claims of a feud between the Sussexes and the royals. As per Grand, the theme of this podcast was Meghan getting revenge against the royal family and anyone who criticized her. The ambition topic was not chosen at random, rather it was selected by Meghan deliberately in order for her to even the score. All the various criticisms that have been thrown Meghan's way have activated her vindictiveness, he added.
bye.